Hi, my name's Huw Elijah. This is Soon Festival, the 10th anniversary, and I'm one of the headline acts. Let's go.
Soon over the years it's grown and grown, it's culturally grown. You get lots of bands, you get a lot of exposure, you get an opportunity, you get some established bands as well. And I think it's been great for Cardiff to actually invigorate the live music scene of music again. It's nice to see the live music scene taking off in Cardiff again.
I moved to Cardiff in 2008 when I came here for uni and I didn't know what was going on. And the first thing I found was Soon Festival, and I've been here every year since.
Pan fi sŵn, yn e-goed, paid â cambiafio, pan ti'n e-goed.
Hi, we're Floodley, and we just played on the Horizon stage in Soon Festival.
How did it go? Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, it's good. It's good, doesn't it, lads?
Yeah, you're right.
And what does Soon mean for you guys to play?
I think it's starts to become one of the most familiar festivals in Wales now. So it's nice to come out of our comfort zone or from in the north and travel down and kind of thing and explore different places, venues to gig. So yeah, really good. This means a lot.
Come off the stage here at O'Neill's for Horizons. How did the set go, guys? Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, I really enjoyed that.
That was good. It's very hot and sweaty.
And we tried out a few new songs, so I think Heed Your Desire. That's off the next album that's coming out. Our debut album that's coming out next month.
And you've been on Horizons now for a year. How has the scheme been for you? Have you enjoyed it?
Yeah, it's been really good. Like playing different places, seeing other bands as well.
It's like a second home, isn't it, Cardiff, as such? Keep coming back down here. No, it's good.
Hello, Need the Castles. Croeso soon.
Woo!
It's Gwyon from Rydyn here, and we are backstage in the grottiest part of O'Neill's venue. And we're here at Soon with Horizons, and this is, I think, our last actual gig with Horizons, so it's a very sad day. But it's also a happy day because it's Soon's 10th birthday. So, pen-blwydd hapus Soon, happy birthday Soon, thank you Horizons for everything. It's been the most fun year I've had.
Oh, pen-blwydd hapus Soon.
Happy birthday, Soon.
Happy birthday.
Happy 10th birthday, Soon. Love you. It's never too soon, but soon.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Soon. I love you. And here's to my mum.
Okay, so I'm joined with Tibet, who've just come off stage here in Horizons. How did it go, guys? Did you enjoy the set?
It was good, yeah. It was a rowdy one.
No, it was great.
I knocked Joel over.
He knocked me off stage?
Sick. It was good, yeah.
Yeah, I never had a better one, to be honest.
What does it mean for you guys to play Soon? Was it a nice experience?
Yeah, it's good. Soon is like a huge contribution to the Welsh music scene in general. It just gives a lot of Welsh bands a fantastic opportunity to play in front of large crowds of people, as we just did.
Yes, no, it is good. Very good. You know, and it's nice with Horizons because they just, they celebrate the music and everyone, collaborates with everyone else, and it's all very nice. We're all a big family.
Part of that sounded sarcastic. I don't know about you guys, but
oh yeah, oh yeah. I've been doing my myself, ain't doing nobody.
So I'm joined with Rowell's mum, who's looking forward to his set. Are you excited?
I'm so excited, so excited, so excited.
What's the favourite part of you seeing him live? Is there anything you enjoy the most seeing him play?
Do you know what? Every time I see him live, I'm like, I'm shaking. I'm so nervous for him, but he always does well.
Selfie superstar. Took about 50 pictures.
Well, you've just come off stage from the headline slot at Horizons. How did it go for you?
It was absolutely amazing. I'm out of breath, my stomach's hurting. Never felt this pain before, so I must have put in 100%. I even shocked myself.
There's so much energy going on in that set. You make me feel out of breath myself.
That's my intention, you know. When I perform, I want everybody to be involved with me, so that's a good sign.
And this is the last gig of Horizons, unfortunately. So what has been your highlight of the year?
Do you know what? I want to say a performance, but the whole journey itself has been, a great performance. It's been a good self-reflection, meeting the new people or the people that have been on the Horizons scheme itself. Obviously the Horizons team. But yeah, the whole journey itself has just been, definitely a memory I'll never forget it.
Bust a line one time, do my boogie one time, eh. All my ladies in a place, haters on the ground, but smile in your face, and I'm all for black.